Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Signam Sampurna on BT Road at Agorpara, and you can see this is the actual site of this beautiful project, and this is the experience center of our project like Signam Sampurna. And now see, come this side. So in this experience center you can see the model flats and miniature models, so I will come it later. So come this side. So this is the main entry and exit road, and this grand entry and exit road will be vacant totally. This side also, this will be our visiting center, and this is the actual site. I am going to show you the actual site. Up to this portion there will be no construction. So from BT Road to this portion, so total this area will be vacant. So it's a huge vacant portion of this project. Now see, so this is the actual land of this project. So piling is going on currently. So it's a U-shaped land. So now come this side. We are moving towards the experience center. So we are moving towards the experience center. So this is the road. And this side, this is the experience center. And this is the miniature model of the project. This is the entry on BT Road, and this portion will be vacant totally. So it's a mechanical model, so with the lightings and all. So this is the entry and exit of our project with open car parking lots, and this is the external elevation of these buildings. In front of you, you can see this is tower number 2, and on the ground floor there will be independent car parkings, and above that first and second floor will be multi-level car parking. And this side you will be having all facilities and amenities over the podium level. So this is the swimming pool, gym area, community hall, and few apartments also. This is the yoga deck, internal gardens, and these are the peripheral roads of the project. So this is the main swimming pool of the project, and you can see these are all toddlers facility, garden area, and the sitting arrangements will be there, and there will be a natural pond which we will decorate like this one, and this side will be the toddlers playing zone or children's playing zone. So this is tower number 1, and just The vacant portion, this one will be tower number 3. So this one tower number 1, tower number 2, and this one will be tower number 3. So this is a 3 towers complex with all the modern facilities and amenities will be given on the podium level. So like you can see, this is the indoor games on the podium level. This will be the toddlers zone. This will be swimming pool and all other modern facilities and amenities which will be available on a 5-star complex. So this is the experience center of our project. So now I can show you the model flat. So this is the experience center. So this is the model flat of 3 BHK. So I will come to it later. So thanks a lot for watching. If you are having any query, then please feel free to ask. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.